What's something you own that you don't ever plan on using?
Anything in there, so. So, my Jamaican TikTokers, this one is a simple one. You've probably heard it before. How do you tell someone you're in Jamaica without telling them you're in Jamaica? I'll go first.
Who knows what's happening here? And the weird part, people actually love fast mode.
Greetings, Surplus here. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos, and this video is called Am I the Only One That Does This? Am I the only one that cuts up little pieces of sausage, or frankfurters as you might call them, and put it in cup soup? I've seen some weird things, like people empty like hot pepper sauce into the cup soup. So I just want to know, am I weird? Am I the only one that cuts up little pieces of sausage, or am I just greedy? Let me know. Am I just greedy? Am I the only one? I remember in college, we emptied a tin of mackerel inside the cup soup. Was that nasty? It was delicious though.
What I think every time I see this sign.
One, two, three. So if you try to lay in these arms, I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open, girl. I'ma leave the door open, open. Ooh, I feel you want me, I want you tonight, baby. Tell me that you're coming through.
Tell me you're antisocial without telling me you're antisocial. I don't know why finding a bearded, chubby man is so hard. All I want to do is give him my heart and throat. I mean soul shit.
So crocodiles and alligators only have closing power, they don't have opening power, which is why when their jaws are shut, you can wrap duct tape around them and they'll be fine. So what you want to do, when you get attacked by an alligator or a crocodile, they're going to chomp on your leg, they're going to pull you into the water, spin you around to confuse you, and then drown you. here's what you want to do. So when their jaws are clamped over you, they have a little flap at the back of their neck, which makes sure that water doesn't go into their throat, just like humans do. So you want to take your foot and you want to push down that flap all the way at the bottom of their throat so water rushes into their jaw. And then you want to swim away, or you can take your hands and just like clamp on the front of the alligator or the crocodile, and then it'll be good.
Come here, mate. Come on. Wait, come on. Come here. Wait. Come here. Enough. Come here. That's a good boy. Good boy. Alright, just checking on this fella now. Wet season's coming up. Making sure he's happy, he's healthy. He's looking alright. Stay there. Tail's looking good. Mouth. This is bone cruncher. Mouth's looking pretty good there. Hey. Cruncher. Pretty remarkable, this crocodile.
People, see this whole lockdown quarantine thing, have we lock up in our house, you know, it's not good for our mental health. Take some time, go outside, get some sun. You understand? Stand up barefoot, make your foot touch the ground. Take time for your mental health. Body can't function without the brain. This is what I like to do to nurture my mental health. I water my plants, talk to them, you understand? Find what works for you. This is very therapeutic for me. This is very relaxing, this is very calming, this is what I do.
Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it with a friend. And definitely think about subscribing for more content like this. Peace.